Hi, everyone. Welcome to week 3. I can't believe we're at the midway point already. The course is going very, very quickly. I hope all of you have had a chance to make arrangements for your site visit. If you haven't, please be in touch with me and I'll help you as best I can, but that's something you really have to have arranged so you don't get to week 6 and have an issue. Last week, you all got to try on some different disabilities. I hope you found that activity to be enlightening and helpful and to give you some opportunity to reflect on what students or patients, for those of you that are in healthcare, may be having to experience in their own life. And I think it's always helpful to walk a mile in someone else's moccasins as best we can. We can't really do it. We can only simulate it, and it's for a short period of time. But I appreciate that you're all doing that as well. So for week 3, we're going to look at physical and health impairments. We're also going to look at deaf and hard of hearing and blindness and low vision. This week, you are going to be reading chapters 12 and 13 about hearing impairments and visual impairments in your text, and watching some videos about deaf and hard of hearing and visual impairments. So this week's discussion, you're going to be talking about how you could include a child with a significant physical disability in a classroom. And I want you to think about the difference between being included and being like physical presence to actually accessing education and being meaningfully included in the classroom. So an example of just being present would be a child who on their IEP looks like they're spending all day in a general ed classroom, but they spend the entire day at a back table with their para doing separate work. And somebody who's meaningfully included would be forming relationships with the other students in the classroom, would be participating in classroom activities, and really be an actual part of the classroom, not an outsider that just happens to be sitting in the space. Again, you can use a written discussion. Feel free to post a video discussion. Just make sure you always have your citations if you're doing a written one, and references for whatever kind of post you do. So this week you do have a short exam. It is 20 questions and 3 short answers and a case study. You're going to have unlimited time to do this. And it's also open book. You can look at your notes. You can look at any of your research. You can look at whatever you need to look at. So if you've done all the reading assignments and you've watched the videos and you've participated in the discussion, you should be pretty well prepared for the case study, but I would just make sure you have your materials at the ready as you are beginning this. And I will certainly grade all of the exams as quickly as I am able to get you feedback about things that you may have gotten incorrect. So again, if you've done all of the work today, the exam shouldn't be difficult. For those of you who are education majors and will be taking the MTEL, the teacher certification test, the reason why I have an exam as part of this class is because I know people are going to have to take the MTEL if they want to be teachers. I don't typically give a whole lot of tests, but I think this is a situation where it's good to practice that kind of a test-taking skill. And I assume that in the healthcare field, you have standardized exams that you have to take for licensure as well. So I hope it's a positive experience for you. I hope you enjoy the materials for week 3, and I look forward to hearing from all of you this week. And it looks like my therapy dog, Basie, has come in to say hi to you today too. Have a great day. Bye-bye.